Hey everyone, welcome back to Victoria Makes. In this video, we are going to make a simple and healthy mug bread using almond flour and banana. It's soft and delicious with wholesome ingredients. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack. Now let's see how we make it. These are the ingredients you'll need to make the mug bread. Into a mixing bowl, add the cottage cheese and whisk it for a minute until it becomes smooth. To this, add an egg and whisk it well. Take half a banana, mash it and add it to the mixture. We will use the remaining half later. Now add the almond flour and mix it well. You can add any nuts of your choice. I'm adding some chopped walnuts and pistachios. Now let's chop the remaining banana and add it to the mixture. Now I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt and little cinnamon powder. Give everything a good mix one more time. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Lightly coat the mug with some butter. Add the mixture to the mug and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Oven temperature may vary, so check after 25 minutes and bake for a few more minutes if needed. Add some chopped nuts on top to give it a nice crunchy texture. The mug bread is done and it smells so delicious. Let it cool down a bit. It will be easier to slice. There you go, a high protein mug bread. This is perfect for a simple serve, just enough for one person. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.